Good morning, guys. Wanted to give you an update on our weather impact day here in Cincinnati. We're tracking severe storms that start to develop as we head towards the early afternoon. Those will continue into the late afternoon and early evening hours. I'm meteorologist Katie Donovan, and the Storm Prediction Center overnight last night put the greater Cincinnati area in that enhanced risk of severe weather. So that's a level 3 out of a 5 on a severe weather scale. While all threats remain possible with this severe weather event here, from hail and even a low-end tornado threat, I think our biggest concern is going to be for some damaging winds. We're under a 30% chance that severe winds of 58 miles per hour could occur within 25 miles of any given city. I think storms initially start to develop west of Cincinnati as early as the midday hours, so we'll start to see those moving into 275. I would say closer to that after-school pickup time, maybe around 2, 3, 4 o'clock today, and then we're looking at an additional round of storms, and that looks to impact the evening drive tonight. So as you know, that's going to be problematic for drivers, after school sports, things like that. You will want to stay with WLWT through the day. We'll keep you updated on the air and on our social media platforms.